Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. This episode is dedicated to this very exciting cookbook, the Betty Crocker Bisquick cookbook. I couldn't be more excited. If you know me well, you know I am a Bisquick addict. And you know what? I'm gonna make 3 recipes today from this cookbook. And the first recipe I'm gonna make today is this one, turkey club squares. I'm excited. Get ready. Let's begin with a bowl. 2 cups of Bisquick, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and a 1/3 cup milk. Mix until a soft dough forms. I'm going to push that into a cookie sheet. I'm not good at making a rectangle, so this is what you get. I'm going to bake this at 450 for 8 to 10 minutes. I want it to be a nice golden brown. While that's cooking, I'm going to cube up some turkey as well as cut up 2 tomatoes and some green onions. In a bowl, I'm going to mix 2 cups of cubed turkey, 2 tablespoons of green onions, a few tablespoons of crumbled bacon pieces, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Mix that together. Spoon and spread this over the crust. Sprinkle it with those chopped tomatoes and a bag of Colby Jack cheese. It looks fun, and now you bake it for 5 to 6 minutes. Looks super tasty. Bisquick turkey club squares. Look at that. Fun. Very much like a pizza. And it tastes out of this world. Loving the bacon, loving the mayo, and loving the Bisquick. Now I'm gonna try this one. It's a roast beef sandwich bake. And it looks pretty darn great. Let's do it. Grab a bowl, 2 cups of beautiful Bisquick, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 1 egg. Stir that until blended. I have an 8x8 greased baking dish. I'm gonna pour half that batter into the bottom of it. I have some deli roast beef that I'll be placing on top of that batter. Then I'm gonna add a layer of Swiss cheese slices, followed by more roast beef. Then the rest of that batter. I'm gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. It's out and golden brown. Now I'm gonna add a few more slices of Swiss cheese and a little black pepper, and bake it 5 more minutes. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes before serving. Yes, it is totally a sandwich. I'm looking forward to it. Cheesy. It's wonderful. Love that beef. And the mustard in there, I can taste it. Very unique. Well, I can't celebrate Bisquick without making an impossible pie. And in this cookbook, I found a recipe for an impossible banana custard pie. That's gonna be great. In a bowl, I need to mash 2 ripe bananas. And add in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix that in. Grab another bowl. 1/2 cup of Bisquick, 1/4 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of softened butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and a can of condensed milk. Stir that until blended. Mix in those mashed bananas and pour into a prepared pie dish and bake it at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. It baked, and then I allowed it to cool and then chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Spread some whipped topping on top of that. I'm gonna add some caramel syrup on top. Banana Impossible Pie. Wow. It's amazing. It is a very strong banana flavor. The sweetness is definitely there. It's like a bananas Foster kind of. It is a good one. I have to admit, I've had a lot of Impossible Pies, and you know what? That one might have been my favorite one. I'm so happy you were here to join me in celebrating Bisquick. It really is a miracle ingredient. My boss at work said they're gonna get rid of the person with the worst posture. I have a hunch it might be me.